Good morning, Charlotte. It's Jessica Peterson. Thank you so much for speaking with me yesterday and accepting this free video. I know that you're super busy on a fire job right now. It might take you a minute to get to this, but I'm really excited that you accepted it and want you to have this when you're ready because I'm about to go over 3 strategies you guys can start applying right away, and it's going to help you guys out so much. And I know that it will, because we've used these same strategies with over 50 other restoration companies just like you guys in the US, and it's made a huge difference. Okay, right now you guys have about a handful of people, about 45 or so people per month landing on your website organically, and most of that is people searching by your brand name. And unfortunately, 90% of people, especially in restoration, um, they don't know who you are yet. They've never experienced this type of loss. And so they're not going to be searching by your name. They're going to be searching for the services they need. And so we got to make sure that you have these strategies in place so when they do those searches, you are who they're finding, okay? And so by not having these strategies in place, you guys are leaving 60 to 70% of the available jobs every month on the table. Okay, so we definitely need to work these strategies. So the strategies we're talking about here today are going to be your content keyword strategy, citations, and then backlinks SEO. Okay, so as you can see, we are on your website. You got a gorgeous looking website. It looks like you have the basic fundamentals, which is great. When it comes to ranking on Google, it is not based on appearance. It is based on content. You do need a ton of content, okay? And so content includes your website pages. So making sure that you have a separate page for all of your major services. This is a little bit confusing where it just says flooring. I'm not sure if this is cleanup or restoration or installation. So it is a little bit confusing the way this navigation is set up for you guys. But anyways, you do need to have these separated services on separate pages because Google wants a separate page for each service so that you can dedicate the entire page to everything about that service. How you handle that service, answering the questions your customers are asking, and just being overall helpful. And that allows you to capitalize on the keywords people are searching locally. Okay, and so if you guys are based in the Austin area, your homepage, all these service pages should have keywords based in Austin. Okay. And then it also says Florida. Florida is pretty huge. And so I don't know if you're serving all of Florida or a portion of Florida. But that's definitely going to need its own pages. Okay. And so with content, we need to make sure we have original content, that you don't have any duplication of pages. Google is not going to be indexing, ranking pages that are duplicate. And so you're going to miss out on a lot, even though I know you have hidden pages that are in your navigation, some service area pages, which is awesome and exactly what you must have. We do want to make sure they are original content. Now this home page here, this is the most important page because it ties all of your services together. So it is critical that you do like you're doing here. And that's a good step, is have information about all of your major services here on the home page. And it does look like that flooring's restoration flooring. Okay, that does clear it up a little bit. But with these many descriptions, we need to have keywords, and I'm really not seeing any keywords on your homepage outside of your brand. Okay, we don't have a whole lot of actual written content here, and so your homepage needs at least 1,500 words or more of written content. And if your competition has 1,500 words, you will need more than they have. As always, when competing against our competition, we have to do better than they're doing. So that's more content, better quality content, more pages, images, etc. Okay? And we want to also make sure that all your images are optimized with those local keywords. And so this is Big Guy's truck, which is relevant for this specific picture. But for images based around your services, you're going to want things like water damage restoration Austin, water damage cleanup Austin, water damage repair Austin. And understand that people search differently, and so you want to capitalize on those various searches. So having this content written around those local keywords for those services is going to be critical. Google is sending crawlers to your website, which are like little mini robots, and it's going to scan all of your pages here, all of the images, videos, and text to understand what your business is about, what type of services you're offering, and where you offer those services. And it is critical that you have those local keywords so Google can index those keywords, understand which customers to direct to your site. So without having that real strategy in place, Google's not able to send the people to your website they need to be sending, okay? Now, your top competitor for water damage in the Austin area is SERVPRO. And yes, they are a franchise, but don't worry. They are a franchise. They are still beatable. You're not competing against an entire franchise. Only the local franchisees here in your service area, and you have an advantage over them. Okay? These guys are not able to really modify the pages they are given. And they're not allowed to have their own separate website. So you have an advantage over them. You just have to do better than they're doing. So that means more written content throughout the pages, better quality content, more long form blogs. Okay, those blogs added every month is new fresh content, which Google loves. So we just have to do better quality content, more actual words per page, more pages, more blogs, etc. And those are going to help you so much to be able to outrank these guys. Now, we know when your customer does a search, they'll do a search similar to like this. And when they do, there's 3 main spots on the first page of Google that your business has good opportunity to show up. Okay, so the first is always generally going to be ads, and those are your cost per click ads, and even these local service ads here. Okay, and this can be pretty lucrative if it's what you want to do, as long as you have your processes dialed in and the proper web landing pages built out for those ads, and you're not just sending them to your main website pages. Okay, that's critical for your conversions. So if you don't have those things in place, it can be a little bit of a money pit, and you have to focus on optimizing those areas first. Okay, now these next 2 sections I like to say are more important, and that's only because of the amount of traffic they get. So the second section here, this is your Google Map Pack, your Google Business listings. Okay, you want your Google Business profile to be in this top 3 section, because 30% of people come straight here and they do not go anywhere else, and they will call 1 or all 3 of these top companies. And so by not being shown up here, you are losing 30% of your jobs every single month, and quite literally handing them to your competitors. So in order to show up here, you do have to optimize your profile and go out and get a bunch more citations. And citations are simply listing the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like the Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Glassdoor, Angie's, Home Advisor, and House. And even your social media pages are citations. So you need a lot of those citations and more than your competitors, okay? Now, this third section here is the most important section because 60 to 70% of people come straight here. They'll skip the ads, they'll skip these maps over here, and they'll come right to this organic section. So your website has to show up here. Otherwise, you're losing 60 to 70% of the available jobs every single month for this service. Okay? And so in order to be here, it all comes back down to the foundation of this website, having the proper content and keyword strategy, and pages, and then supporting it with your backlink SEO. And so if we look here, this is Ahrefs, a paid tool we use to see how your website is performing. We can see here you guys have a rating of a 2.8 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow. And that means Google does not trust your website. And that is partly because of the quality of the site, but it's more so the power you're sending to your site. Your website is a tool, and like most tools that you guys use, they require power. So we power up websites with backlinks. So we need a lot of backlinks. We need more than our competition has. But it's important to understand that not all backlinks are good. They're not created equal. It is a popularity contest. We only want the good quality links that are closely related to your services. You wouldn't just want to go after high-ranking websites like a Pizza Hut, Burger King, because you guys don't serve food. So even if they gave you a backlink from those high-performing sites, it would do more harm than good because it's not what you guys do. So we have to focus on getting the right kind of do-follow backlinks that are closely related to the services you offer from other websites of other home service businesses and vendors and that kind of thing, okay? And as you get those good quality links, Google builds trust in your website. The score goes higher, and as that score goes higher, so does your rankings, okay? You're going to get higher in rankings, and it's going to help you to rank those keywords and drive people to your website. Right now, while you do have some content, it's not really keyword focused. So you've only been indexed for 18 keywords, and you're only getting about 45 people to your website. And almost all of that is people that actually already know who you are, which means that you're missing the 90% that don't, okay? And so if we look at your keywords, you are indexed for a couple keywords here. You are getting a handful of people for duct cleaning in Luckaway, Bastrop, and Cedar Park. But that's it. You're not even being indexed, let alone ranking for any water damage or restoration type work. Okay, so you're missing out on your big money jobs by not even being indexed for those keywords. So Google cannot send people to your website. Okay, if we look at your competition, yes, the franchise as a whole has a huge score here of 76. But their local location is a 4.5. And that's because they're not doing any SEO. And they don't, it makes sense because they can't fix the problems. So why spend the money, right? But because this website is so powerful, the franchise website is able to send this power they have to their back pages, all of the service areas that they serve, which does allow them to rank those keywords. And so they've got 47 keywords just for this one page, for this one location. 47 keywords and over 218 people coming to this page. And so if we look at their keywords, we can see they are ranking on the first page of Google. We can see these are the local keywords: water damage restoration Austin, water extraction Austin, water damage cleanup Austin, and we can see the type of volume that they got. Okay, so it's a ton of potential volume you guys are missing out on by not having these strategies in place. So please feel free to take it, run with it, apply it yourself, or if you'd like a partner in this, go ahead and give us a call. We'd be happy to chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.